Alright guys, we're out here on public land in West Virginia. We're going to try to get a bird. Let's hope it works out. Setting up in this field. Hopefully something comes by. I would love to kill a turkey on public land. Praying that we don't get shot by another hunter though.
11:57. Let's go. Yeah, fully. Let's freaking go. What up, guys? You know what that means? It means I tagged out in West Virginia with the Nature Voice game calls. Crazy day. Started out on public land, didn't hear a single bird, and I was like, and it was about 10 o'clock. I was coming down the road, and you said, you know what? I'm gonna stop at the farm just to see if I could strike one up. I get up on top of this ridge, hit the call a few times, bam, 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 3 gobblers on each side of me. I get up here and get set up, and I call, have one coming over on my left. He's fired up. And I hear one off in the distance on the right. He's hitting off and on. And sit there and called. It sounded like he was getting further away. And I would call again, and it sounded like he was getting closer. And I call again, it sounded like he's getting further away. I don't know if it was 2 different birds or the same bird just running back and forth. But turned out to be 11:30, and I was like, man, if he don't show up soon, it's gonna be done. I'm gonna be done for the day. I'll just have to get him in the morning. And I go to pick up my decoys out in the field. It's 11:53. I pick up my decoys, hit my call a few times, hear him over there on the other side, hammered. I pick up my decoys, put them, get them ready to put them in my vest, have my vest off, my bag off, all my cameras off, everything. Not even ready. And I call again, and he's right behind me. I mean, right behind me. So I set my camera down, got my camera turned on, got my GoPro turned on, got everything turned on. I call again, and he hits hard right behind me. I mean, he hits hard. And I look over, and all I see is his head. I said, oh. I didn't say anything really. I was like, I was in shock. I grabbed my gun, and the rest is history. I shot him about 35, 40 yards, and I'm glad that I was behind this bush. Or if I wouldn't have been behind this bush, I would have been busted in a heartbeat. But I ended up shooting him at 11:57 a.m. and cutoff time in West Virginia to hunt is 12 a.m. or it'd be 12 p.m. Freaking crazy way to tag out in West Virginia. I couldn't have did it without Nature Voice game calls. Those calls are the best calls I've ever used turkey hunting. I've only killed turkeys with those calls. Man, freaking crazy. How you end the season. Freaking crazy. What a year so far. Y'all stay tuned to Riser Outdoors for more exciting, super exciting content. Whew.